My dear student, I am so happy that you have joined this course, and you can be sure you will reach great success, quick organization. So first of all, be ready to download the Udemy app for Apple or for Android. It will be much better for you. And please be sure that in the next video you will follow up to Google Drive. We have magnificent resources, listenings, templates, outreach templates, copywriting templates, and many great PDF and listening guides. And now you will really enjoy it because you will have series of animated videos for search engine optimization, local search, copywriting checklists, all the templates you need to create magnificent content, and then we go deep into all topics. You will love this course so much. You will reach fantastic success. I am so happy you have been my student. Please enjoy it, please be happy, and you will reach magnificent success.